Adaptation in animals. Different kinds of animals are found in different places. Some animals live in water, some in cold polar regions, and some in hot deserts. The natural place where an animal lives and reproduces is called its habitat. Different animals have different features that help them survive and grow in their habitats. This is called adaptation in animals. Let us discuss about it. Adaptation in animals. The special features or the changes that allow the living organisms to live and survive in a particular area are called adaptations. Animals that are able to adapt themselves according to their surroundings survive, and those that cannot adapt struggle to survive or die. Adaptations in animals are due to the environment, the food they eat, their body, ways of movement, protection, reproduction, etc. Adaptation for habitats. Animals are classified into terrestrial, aquatic, amphibian, arboreal, and aerial on the basis of their habitats. Terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. They are of 4 types. Wild animals. Tigers, lions, elephants, zebra, and giraffes are examples of animals that live in jungles. They breathe with the help of their lungs. They have good sense of smell and hearing for hunting food and to protect themselves. Domestic land animals. Horses, dogs, camels, cats, cows, and goats are examples of domestic land animals. These animals can be kept by humans for work, food source, or as pets. Desert animals. Deserts are very hot during day and cold during night. Such area receives very little rainfall. So, there is very little food and water in deserts. Horned lizard, desert toad, and camels are some desert animals. They have thick skin and very less hair on the body. Animals in cold regions. Both North, Arctic, and South Antarctic polar regions of the Earth remain covered with snow throughout the year. Polar bears are found in northern polar, Arctic regions. Penguins are the birds that are mainly found in Antarctica. They have a layer of fat under their skin called blubber. They have thick fur on their bodies to keep them warm. Adaptations in camel. It has thick skin and very little hair that protects it from heat in desert area. It can live without water for many days. It has broad and padded feet to walk on sand easily. Hump present on the body stores fat which is used up when food is not available. Adaptations in polar bear. It has thick fur that protects it from extreme cold. It has a thick layer of fat under the skin. The white color of body merges with white snow. Their feet are wide and large to swim and walk on snow. They have strong sense of smell to catch prey. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Aquatic animals live in either fresh water or seawater. Fish, turtles, alligators, and crabs live in fresh water. Dolphins, sharks, whales, and octopus live in seawater. Aquatic animals have special body features to breathe and move freely in water. Amphibians. These animals live both in water and on land. Frogs, toads, and salamanders are examples of amphibians. They lay eggs in water. They breathe through lungs on land. Their skin absorbs oxygen from water. These animals have webbed feet that help them to swim. Arboreal animals. Animals that spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. Monkeys and orangutans are called arboreal animals. They have strong arms and legs to jump and climb. They use their long tail as another limb, fifth limb, to hold onto the branches. Aerial animals. Animals that fly are aerial animals. Birds, bats, and some insects are examples of aerial animals. They have following adaptations. Wings help them to fly. Hollow bones make their bodies light. Feathers keep them warm, and tail helps to change the direction. Let's know more. Whales and dolphins have lungs to breathe fresh air on water surface. Spider monkey has strongest tail in the animal kingdom. Elephant is the largest herbivorous animal. It can eat hundreds of kilograms of plant shoots in a day. Adaptation for food habits. Different animals eat different types of food. On the basis of type of food and feeding habits, animals are classified as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, parasites, and saprophytes. Herbivores. Cows, horses, goats, deers, zebras, camels, elephants, and rabbits are examples of such animals. Their teeth and digestive system are adapted to cut and chew grass, leaves, and other plant materials. Carnivores. Tigers, lions, wolves, and jackals are examples of carnivorous animals. They have sharp canines to tear flesh. Omnivores. Bears, monkeys, crows, and human beings are examples of omnivorous animals. Teeth are adapted to eat both plant and animal materials. Parasites. Such animals live on or inside the body of other animals for their food. Bedbugs, worms, fleas, mosquitoes, and lice are some small parasitic animals. Saprophytes and scavengers. Animals such as hyena and vulture eat the dead bodies of other animals. They are called scavengers. Microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi that feed on dead and decaying matter are examples of saprophytes. Adaptation for protection. Animals such as elephants, birds, and ants stay in groups to protect themselves. Deer and kangaroos are animals that run very fast to protect themselves. Snails and tortoises have shells to protect themselves. Rhinoceros and buffaloes have horns for protection. The cuttlefish has an ink sac on its body. It releases the ink in water to protect itself. Animals such as polar bear, chameleon, and stick insects have features that help them merge with their surroundings. This is called camouflage. Let's know more. Birds and mammals are warm-blooded animals. They have a constant body temperature which does not change with the change in temperature of the surroundings. Adaptation in behavior. Animals such as frogs, some snakes, and lizards cannot survive the cold conditions in winter. They eat excess food in summer and store it in their body. They sleep during the entire winter to protect themselves from the cold. This is called hibernation. Some animals such as crocodile and snails sleep for a long time in summer in a cool and shady place. This is called estivation. Some birds move from one place to another in search of food, to escape harsh weather conditions, and for reproduction. This is called migration. Care for animals. Animals are living beings and they feel hot, cold, hunger, thirst, pain, and other emotions just like human beings. When we want something, we ask for it. But animals cannot speak and cannot ask for their needs. We should take care of the animals around us. We can help them by providing food to them, providing water to them, by not scaring them with sudden noise or crackers, by not teasing them. Providing them with old and rugged blankets can make them feel comfortable in cold weather. Informing elders to take them to a veterinary doctor or to call Animal Rights Center in case they are injured or ill.